Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you close your Remitly account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to close your Remitly account, you just simply have to open your Remitly application. And after opening the Remitly application, you just simply have to go over the Manage section at the bottom right corner. Tap into there, and from this section you just simply have to select profile option right here. Just simply tap to profile option and scroll down to all the way bottom, and after that you will get this option of close my profile under my Remitly. Just simply tap to close my profile and then tick this box, as I understand that I won't have access to my profile after it is closed, and just simply tap to close my account and your account will successfully be closed. This way you can also do close your Remitly account. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.